Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. A little bit of a change of scenery. I'm actually at the cottage and it is so windy, so I had to find this little area that is shielded from the wind, and hopefully you can hear me okay. There is some tree cutting going on in the background, as well as there is a soccer game which everyone is watching in the cottage that you can hear everyone screaming. Oh, and here's the wind. Okay, so first things first, I'm making this video because I am collaborating again with Alyx from Alexandria Hicks. I will link her channel down below. Go watch her version of this video because we are talking about what we are doing. So if you already guessed from the title, we're doing another health eating, but we're also working out. So this entire next month, we're gonna be doing CrossFit at home. I'm going to show you what the program looks like. So basically we thought that this would be really great to do together for accountability, and we're sharing our journey, and I'm sharing this with you in case you want to do it. You can follow along on our journey. Comment down below if this is something that you want to start. It's perfect because I don't always have time to get to a gym, and I think that if it's in my house I could do it. So I'm going to try it. But on top of the working out, we are going to be eating paleo, which is what I'm already eating now, but also counting our calories and macros. So if you don't know what paleo is, I'm gonna link this little picture that I found because I think this is a really great way to describe it. But it is just eating the ancient way. So there's basically no grains. So you're eating meat, seafood, eggs, veggies, roots, /tubers they call it. So that's like a sweet potato and yams, nuts, seeds, fruit and berries, organ meats, fermented foods, bone broth, fermented cod liver oil, which I won't be eating, raw grass-fed dairy, and soaked, sprouted, and fermented grains. So basically you're eating things very much in a natural and whole way. Yes, things are still being cooked, but you're being very mindful of the things that you're putting in your body, which is something that I've have been doing and really want to continue doing. And I feel like once I started the Whole30, that really, made me realize everything that I'm putting in my body. So it's also good fats. So there's avocado oil, coconut oil. Those oils and fats are so good for you, same with the fats that you're getting from nuts and seeds. I personally am not going to be doing dairy. I just find for me, I don't like how my body feels when I have dairy. I've pretty much eliminated dairy anyways. So we're not going to be having dairy. So no gluten, basically whole fruits and vegetables, no grains, lots of greens basically. So I'm going to try and show you some of the workouts. I'm going to be doing a every 7-day check-in, same with Alyx, for the whole month, and hopefully I can show you a little bit of the workouts that we'll be doing. It might get to be a lot to watch every single day of working out, but I'll definitely have the link for the plan down below if you would like to try it. So for my calories, I used healthyeater.com. And I'm a little unsure about my exercise level, so I have two different breakdowns. If the first one, I feel like I'm hungry and tired and I need more food, more energy, then I'm going to switch over to the second one. So the first one is 1,469 calories per day, which consists of 160 grams of carbohydrates. And that's not eating bread. Again, I'm not doing any grains, any gluten, and things like that. But things like cauliflower is actually high in carbohydrates, and sweet potato. So not necessarily eating what a traditional carbohydrate is, like a pasta or a bread, but I'm gonna be doing like cauliflower and broccoli and sweet potatoes. Then 115 grams of protein and 41 grams of fat. So again, fat comes in your oils and your nuts and your seeds. If I feel like I am hungry and I need more energy, I'm going to be switching to 1,656 calories a day. This is based on my working out. And right now, I also run 3 times a week. I'm training for a 10K. And I also play hockey once a week. And hockey is a very whole body intense workout it only happens once a week, but you are exerting a lot of energy. You're sweating a lot, and so I feel like maybe on those days I will need more. So the carbohydrates is 195 grams on that day, protein 115 grams, and fat is 46 grams. So those are the two breakdowns of what of my calories for this whole month. I will track them in my Fitness Pal. You can find Alyx and I on there. I will link mine down below. I don't exactly remember what mine is, but I will link it down below so that you can follow along on our journey and maybe get some ideas for recipes. Who knows? So again, go to Alyx's channel. I will link it down below, Alexandria Hicks, and I hope that you enjoy the next 30 days on our journey. Let me know if you'd like to try this or if you've done this. I would love to hear your feedback. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!